Kamodo ni jod buche mapacho kaende dhi nyime kuda twake wi paro mar chik mar rekomenda gana 2026 gana 2020 to kuda biriyo mabende en budget manosom od bura juma mokalo kuda jatend migawo mar omenda moluor John Badi Ng'ongo. Jod buche ge koma kwedo piny owacho ramo kanyendo ni paro mar chik onogo ok en gima kare kendo kik kale od bura onogo. E kinde mamago koma tiere piny owacho momanywanda kata broad based to ramo ni paro mar chik onogo ber marich mokalo ka gipogore paro ewi osuru mamoko ka achiel kod chenro mopogore opogore kendo maende kaka weche chalo.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that that clause 3 be amended as per the order paper, Honorable Speaker. This amendment is seeking to clarify what gratuities, Honorable Speaker. In addition, this particular amendment is providing incentives to the national carrier in order to boost our aviation sector, Honorable Speaker. As you're aware, Kenya Airways has faced some challenges from global competition, and therefore this Honorable House, through this amendment, is seeking to provide further incentives to Kenya Airways, which is defined now here as a national carrier, Honorable Speaker, so that they can be competitive around the aviation sector.
All members, I propose the question that clause 3 be amended as proposed by the Chair. I put the question that clause 3 be amended as proposed by the Chair of Finance Committee. Will another opinion say aye? Will another opinion say nay? Ayes have it. Members, I now put the question that clause 3 as amended be part of the bill. Will another opinion say aye? Will another opinion say nay? Ayes have it.
Clause 4.
Members, I propose the question that clause 4 be part of the bill. There will be no amendment. I now put the question that clause 4 be part of the bill. As another opinion say aye. Will as another opinion say nay? Ayes have it.
Clauses 5, 6, and 7.
Members, I propose the question that clauses 5, 6, and 7 be part of the bill. There being no amendment, I put the question that clauses 5, 6, and 7 be part of the bill. Will as another opinion say aye? Will as another opinion say nay? Ayes have it.
Clause 8.
Members, I propose the question that clause 8 be part of the bill. Chairperson.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 8 be amended as per the order paper. Honorable Speaker, it's important to note that this amendment is not substantive.